Hooray! It's the Menstrual Hygiene Management Month, and Caring Heart Initiative-CHIADE commemorates with every young girl and women with the United Nations theme, making menstruation a normal fact of life by 2030. You would ask, what is menstruation? Menstruation or period is a normal vaginal bleeding that occurs as part of a woman's cycle. What is menstrual hygiene management? Menstrual hygiene management refers to having access to menstrual products like sanitary pad, tampons, menstrual cups to absorb or collect the flow of blood during menstruation, privacy to change the materials, and access to facilities to dispose used menstrual materials. Menstrual hygiene management is important because there are 3.73 billion women in the world. 52% of women are menstruating. 300 million women are menstruating daily, and an average woman will spend about 3,500 days during her life menstruating. 2.4 billion people lack access to sanitary pad, which is known as period poverty. They lack access to relevant information about the functions of their own body. They need to have access to facilities to wash and dispose of used menstrual materials with dignity. It is also the need to address societal beliefs and taboos surrounding the issue. Inability to properly dispose used menstrual materials can cause blockage in the sewage system and lead to blood-borne infection. Failure to properly manage menstruation can lead to urinary tract infection, which in turn leads to kidney failure. Menstrual hygiene management can be challenging for women in prison, underdeveloped and developing countries, as they do not have access to clean water, sanitation, and hygiene wash. Our attention should be drawn to the fact that people experience menstruation differently. Therefore, no longer should there be fear, period shaming, period poverty, absenteeism from school, restriction, exclusion, discrimination, and isolation, because menstrual health matters. Menstrual hygiene management is not a standalone. It involves every one of us, including the men helping their wives, sisters, mothers, and friends. Remember, Caring Heart Initiative is always available for creating a safer society for all of us. Happy International Menstrual Hygiene Management